Now, during reproduction, we have seen that one cell from the male body and one cell from the female body, they fuse to form a zygote, which is the first cell of new individual. Say one cell from the body is sperm, male body, and female body it is ovum, and the cells they are having 46 chromosomes. They will fuse and zygote will be having 92 chromosomes. So the parent's chromosome number is 46, the individual is having 92 chromosomes. The species will change, स्पीशीज सेम रहे, इंसान का बच्चा इंसान ही हो, गधे का बच्चा गधा ही हो, घोड़े का बच्चा घोड़ा हो, इसके लिए वी हैव अ स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ सेल डिवीजन called meiosis. Let us see what happens during meiosis. The male reproductive system is testis, female reproductive system is ovary. The cells of the testis and ovary, they are diploid. By diploid, what do we mean? Diploid. Ploid means set, di means two. कि हर तरह के, हमने कहा क्रोमोसोम एग्जिस्ट इन पेयर्स, हर तरह के कितने क्रोमोसोम्स हैं? 2 क्रोमोसोम्स हैं, ठीक है. 23, when we say human beings they possess 46 chromosomes, means there are 23 pairs of chromosomes. How many types of chromosomes? 23 types of chromosomes. 2 chromosomes in a pair, they are identical in all the respects. If there are 2 chromosomes of similar type, the 1 chromosome of each type forms a set, ploid, ploidy. और अगर हर एक सेट में हर तरह के कितने क्रोमोसोम हैं? 2. then such cell is called diploid. Few cells in the testis, they undergo special type of cell division called meiosis, and they produce cells with half the number of chromosomes, and these special cells of the body, they are called the sex cells, or these are called the gametes, or these are called the male gametes, or these are the sperms. Now, cells of the ovary, they are diploid. Few cells in the ovary, they undergo meiosis and they produce special cells with half the number of chromosomes. These are called the female gametes or female germ cells, and these are called the ovum or egg. अब ये जो 23 सेपरेट होके आए हैं, ये कौन से हैं? कोई भी 23 आ जाएंगे, या ये जो 23 पेयर्स थे क्रोमोसोम के, हर एक में से एक एक आएगा? तो हर एक में से एक एक आएगा, यानी हर टाइप का एक क्रोमोसोम यहाँ आ गया. एंड इट शुड बी नोटेड, व्हेन वी टॉक ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, when we talk of human beings, means we talk of both males and females. In males and females, all the systems, they are similar, like digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, nervous system. Only one system is different, that is the reproductive system. So in human beings, out of 46, first 24 pair of chromosomes, first 22 pair of chromosomes are similar, means out of 46, 44 chromosomes, they are same. So the pair of chromosomes which are similar in males and females of the same species, they are called autosomes. And the 23rd pair of chromosome is different in males and females, that is called the pair of sex chromosome. In females, it is XX. Both the chromosomes in the pair, they are similar, and in males, it is XY. X is the same as this and Y is different. है ये homologous pair, लेकिन इसमें जो है 2 chromosome. This is the Y chromosome. Y chromosome is the smallest chromosome in male body. And the females, the 23rd pair is also homologous. The 2 chromosomes in a pair, they are similar, and here they are different. नाउ व्हेन मियोसिस टेक्स प्लेस, अब टेस्टिस में ये जो 46 सेल्स हैं, इसमें से कितने जो है 22 पेयर्स, यानी 1 से 44 क्रोमोसोम सेम है, और इसमें भी जो है कितने फर्स्ट 22 पेयर सेम है, और इधर XX है, इधर फर्स्ट 22 पेयर सेम है, और 23rd पेयर जो है वो XY। तो हर पेयर में से एक, फर्स्ट पेयर में से सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, इसी तरह से यहाँ पे भी हर पेयर में से एक एक क्रोमोसोम आ जाएगा। यानी इन 23 में व्हेन दीज टू फ्यूज बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ फर्टिलाइजेशन दे लीड टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अ न्यू सेल दैट इज जाइगोट। तो जाइगोट में क्या हो जाता है, दीज आर द हैप्लॉइड सेल्स। हैप मीन्स वन, प्लॉइड इज अ सेट, मतलब हर तरह का एक एक क्रोमोसोम प्रेजेंट है। नाउ द जाइगोट फॉर्म्ड will have 46 chromosomes. The number of chromosome remains same in the parent and the offspring. So what is the purpose of meiosis? To maintain the chromosome number in a species. So this is meiosis. तो meiosis कैसे होती है? Meiosis is a type of cell division in which one parent cell divides to form 4 daughter cells. One parent cell divides to form 4 daughter cells in such a way that the number of chromosome reduces to half. एक सेल डायरेक्टली 4 सेल्स में नहीं डिवाइड हो सकता. It will first divide into 2 and then these 2 will further divide into 2 each. तो with half the number of chromosome 23, तो हम meiosis को 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं. दैट इज meiosis 1. फर्स्ट द पेरेंट सेल डिवाइड्स इनटू 2 and then the meiosis 2, then these 2 daughter cells will further divide into 4 daughter cells. So this is the cell division, types of cell division. The cells of the body which have diploid number of chromosomes, they are called somatic cells. And cells in the body of human beings which are having haploid chromosomes, they are called the germ cells or the sex cells or the gametes. It means in a male body, except the sperms, they are the germ cells, and rest of the cells of the body, they are the somatic cells. Similarly, in female body, all the cells except the egg, they are somatic cells, and the eggs, they are the germ cells. These are having half the number of chromosomes and they are having the, तो जहाँ पे भी ग्रोथ रिपेयर रिक्वायर्ड है, यानी बॉडी से सेम सेल बन जाए, वहाँ पे कौन सी सेल डिवीजन होगी? माइटोसिस होगी. दैट द सेल्स, न्यू सेल्स विल बी फॉर्म्ड विद सेम नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम. और रिप्रोडक्शन में जहाँ पे क्रोमोसोम नंबर कांस्टेंट रहे, तो फॉर रिप्रोडक्शन दिस meiosis will take place. After that, now we will study mitosis and meiosis.